Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to continue with the Toastr notification in our user panel as promised. Um, Alright, where we left. Oh, okay, let's close that one, close this one, close these sections. Alright, here we go. We have authentication user, so let's have a look what we have here. Um, we have a user edit section. This is HTTP GET. Alright, this is post. So we have a validation, user edit result. So we have model state here, and we have a success. So we're going to use notification here for the success. Let's go to this user edit async service. Go to implementation. Is there any? Okay, we have an identity error here. Password failed. So we have password check. Yeah, we have error message here. And let's go back to see when we get any error here, it's going to be here. Do we have any result comes without message? Request new password. Change password. This is okay. It comes with the result, so no problem. If there is a result, so it means there is an error. It's a photo. Upload. There is no request new password. This no. This is identity error and identity result. So we have message here. Alright, so all we need is, as I can see here, we don't need any. Okay, all we need to add our toast message here. So let's add our service. Private read only I toast notification toasty. By the way, I gave this toast a name. You can choose whatever you want. Sounds a little funny. Alright, and toasty.add info. It's going to be an update, so I'm going to use the info toast message. Let's add our message here. So what's the user name? Our user here, right? Okay, let's add a $sign here. User dot username has been updated. And let's add a new toaster options. Oops. Title. Congratulations. It's done. Alright. Do we have anything in dashboard now? Nothing we have here. Let's try this user edit page now. Where is user edit page? With user edit, but before that, it's going to be better to open dashboard. Bum bum bum. Waiting. C# to run our application. Yeah. Actually, I forgot what's my password is. Actually, we just changed that. It must be password 12 /. Here we go. Perfect. Yep, we logged in. User settings. So let's change Um, let's add just a picture. All right, desktop. Let's add this picture. Okay, password is password one two star slash password one two star slash save changes. All right, only JPEG. Okay, so is that PNG? Yeah, it's PNG. It's my bad, guys. All right, is there any JPEG here? Mm-hmm. Yeah, here we go. Password one two star star. Let's save changes. It's done, and congratulations, Michael has been updated. Perfect. It's done. So let's close that one. Yep. All right, and let's have a look how many minutes done. It's just 5 minutes. Let's continue then. Is there anything should I add here? Let's collapse definitions. Save the project. Minimize them. All right. Area, user, admin. Let's have a look about controller. Collapse definitions. Add. Here we go. We have a add here. So this is the validation. This is if it's valid. So I'm gonna add here a success message here. And if it's not succeed, so we have a model state here. Okay. So let's add our toast notification here. Private read only. I toast notification toasty. Let's add to the parameters, and if it's valid, this is add section. Should I have a look at about async? Let's have a look quickly. Go to definition. Implementation. Okay. Actually, we add our notification here, not to controller. Yeah, this is image result. If it's error here, it's return. It returns. Hmm. So it returns. So what's next? If there is an image error, if there is an image, it returns. So where is the error then? We have a so it returns, and so if it's not, I'm gonna add the toast notification here, by the way. Let's take our notification back from here. Okay. So, but the thing is, image result, image helper, image upload. Okay, perfect. If image result is not null, yeah, I need a toast notification here to tell us. Okay, validation, all right, but there is a failure here. Return with the fail error message. Let's have a look. So we have an error message here. I'm gonna use that error message with a toast notification, and all right, okay, perfect. Let's add our toast notification. I figured out what I'm going to do now. Let's add it now. Private read only I toast notification toasty. Where is the parameters? Yep, it's done. All right. Now toasty dot add ever toast message, which is going to be image result dot error. Yep, and I'm gonna add a new toast options. Title is going to be I am sorry and the image result error. Alright, and if it succeed, here we go. Succeed message should be after commit async. Yeah, toasty dot add success toast message. Alright, what is the which entity is that? So this is about, right? So we add the about dot file name, file type, no, header. So it's about, right? No, I'm gonna use special message here. Your about section has been saved. Okay, that's enough. New toaster options. Title. Congratulations. Alright, that's done as well. Let's continue with the other one. Delete. Is there any message here? So we obviously we need to add a message. After unit of work, delete image. Okay, after all of them, we need to add an error message here. When I finished about controller, by the way, in this lesson, I'm gonna stop it and I'm gonna create centralized messaging. Then I'm gonna continue with the other controllers. Okay, this is going to be your about section has been deleted, and let's make it warning. Congratulations, so it is a success, right? So skip the congratulations. Get about ID. No, I don't need it. Update message. This is the alright. I'm gonna put it at the end of the code because after delete, if there is a put after deleted, I want to have that message. Add success your robust section has been updated, and it's going to be info. I'm going to use the info. Congratulations again, and we have an error here. Let's bring it from previous section. Add error mode message. Image result error. I'm sorry. Okay, alright, it's done as well. Perfect. All done. Let's collapse all of them. Collapse definitions about controller. We didn't with nothing. We didn't do any changes on the controller. Perfect. So always we're trying to keep the controller simple and readable, and we're going to do all of our logics in our services. But we are using our authentication, so we have to use controller. That's why I use on controller. And all right, let's try this one now. About controller, let's log in now. Where is the dashboard? Admin, we've dashboard, we've in browser. I'm waiting. All right, let's log in now. Password 12 star slash. Oops. Password 12 star star. Oh my god. Password 12 star slash. Here we go. Okay. Now we're doing about section. Let's delete it, and we are able to see our delete message. Hmm. Yes, because we didn't add our script and the file. I mean not the file. The partial command line. So let's go to the layout CSHTML first, and we already add to the user. So I'm gonna copy from user to the admin page. Yep, those scripts and component to the other one. I guess I already have those. Yeah, I already have those. I only need to add our does notify. Alright, let's get back to the index page. Let's view in browser. Yeah, it comes late. It's too late, mate. Okay. About about us. Test. Blah 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 blah. And let's choose a file. Is there any JPEG? Here we go. Let's submit it. Here we go. Your about section has been saved. Let's update it. Submit it. Your about section has been updated. And let's delete it. Your about section has been deleted. Okay, add another one. Just keep for our test. I'm gonna keep it for a while. All right, okay. So about section is done. Let's close it now. Save everything. Close all tabs and minimize it. How many minutes have been done? 17. Okay. All right. Let's finish this lesson here. And the next lesson, I'm gonna create centralized messaging service or helper, whatever you called, and we're going to use them if somehow we need to change our messages, so we can reach our centralized message center and we can change them quickly and easily. By the way, we're going to use the same messages for many times in our admin controller. So it is going to help also to use just one command line for the all messages. So it's going to help us, guys. All right, thank you very much, and see you on next lesson with the messaging problems. All right, take care, yourself. Bye bye.